And we are back. So the 6 operators are equals to, not equals to, greater than equals to, less than equals to. Let us practice. Now you will have to answer these. So list 1, I have given couple of numbers. Trying to find out the positioning. Positioning is 0. So that is the first element, which is 23. Equals to 23. Not equals to 23, trying to find out if it is true or false. So true. Greater than 85, list 1, positioning is 3, but the second element, which is greater than 85, false. List 1, third element, greater than equals to 84, true. Practice them. List 1, fourth element, less than 21, false. List 1, fifth element, less than equals to 90, true. So as you can see, question you ask can either have a true or false as an answer. Please pay attention. Only when the outcome is true, then if block of code will be executed, otherwise the else block of code will be executed. Very crucial, very important, something that you must remember and not forget. Right? Remember, the lines immediately after the if or else statements are shifted to the right by 1 tab. The Jupyter Notebook and modern editors automatically do it for you. Just in case if it does get messed up, restore the spacing by a tab. Make sure you appreciate all these points below. If unsure, always you're free to ask or question. So if length, I told you len means length, list 1 is less than equals to 6. Print the list has 6 or less elements. Else print the list has more than 6 elements. The list has 6 or less elements. Somebody must have asked by now that this is real life and there are not always 2 choices. Sometimes we have 3, sometimes 4, 5, so on and so forth. How do you deal with a situation in Python? So in that case, elif is your another friend in Python. We were talking about the decision tree. So there we are going to see how to use the elif function. So this is a very good question and something that must come to your mind. If question does come, so these are the conditions. If condition 1 is true, do task 1. Elif condition 2 is true, do task 2. Elif condition 3 is true, do task 3. Elif condition 4 is true, do task 4. Else, if nothing is working, at the end you stop the loop by the else statement. Do this task if all others fail. You close the loop by the else statement. Suppose we have to print information about weather. If it is freezing, very cold, cold, nice, warm, hot, very hot, all this depending upon the temperature, then we might do as follow. As I was talking about the decision tree before, this is what we are coming to. Type the code as below and change the value of temperature and see if the output changes. Please type it yourself. Do not take help of your friend. That's what I always tell my students. Do it by yourself, because programming can only be learned by practicing by yourself and not looking at the screen of your friend. You can take help, but not exactly take help in every step. So temperature I have defined as 25. Conditions: if temperature is greater than equals to 45, print it is very hot. Elif temperature greater than equals to 40, print it is hot. Elif temperature greater than equals to 30, print it is warm. Elif temperature greater than equals to 25, print it is nice. Elif temperature greater than equals to 15, print it is cold. Elif temperature greater than equals to 5, print it is very cold. Else print it is freezing, because anything below 5 is very, very cold. So it is freezing. I close the loop. We have been asking only one question till now. What if we are asking 2 or more questions at one time? Like, if it will rain or will it be sunny? I'll take umbrella. If this is my bus stop and the bus has stopped moving, I will get down. If the person is not my friend, I will not give him 100 rupees. Well, if that is not your friend, you can still give 100 rupees, not a big deal. In the above example, notice the three keywords and, or, and not. They are your friend if you want to ask very complex questions. Let's see. We stop here and we come back.